I'm helping my sister renovate her house, and one of the first things we talked about was whether she should transition from this rusty oil tank to electric heat. Now, she had a ton of questions like, what is a heat pump? How does it work? And is it actually cheaper? Because she's in New York, I sent her to the New York State Clean Heat website, where she has access to a ton of information and resources to help her make an informed decision. She was also able to connect with a New York State clean heat contractor to give her a quote on switching to electric. Watch the oil pipes. By taking advantage of the rebates and incentives, she's able to save thousands where it matters most. And don't worry, if you're not in New York, there are ways to participate by exploring state and federal level rebates through the Inflation Reduction Act.